Subaru Crosstrek Premium Installation Guide. Backrest front. Move the car seat forward and set the backrest on decline. Remove headrest. Pull backrest cover over the car seat. Make sure headrest openings are aligned accordingly. Push the straps through the seat crevice. Fold the backrest forward. Unhook the latch underneath the car seat. Remove the seal from the hook and loop strap. Attach the hook and loop straps underneath the seat. Bottom front row. Place the bottom seat cover on top of the seat. Push the straps through the crevice. Unseal seal from hook and loop. Attach hook and loop underneath the seat. Push the clip into the side crevice. Push the soft bar inward as well. Make sure the seat cover is aligned correctly. Put straps underneath the seat over the bar. Attach the strap to the buckle underneath the seat. Hold the strap for a more secure fit. Remove the seal that is covering the hook and loop strap. Attach the hook and loop to the back of the seat. Remove the bottom seat. Press inward and pull outward to release bottom seat. Place the cover over the seat and make sure the corners align. Align and connect the buckles and straps accordingly. Connect the metal hooks as shown here. Rear seat backrest covers 40 side and 60 side. Split backrest 60 side. Detach headrest 60 side. Detach seat belt 60 side. Slide seat cover over the backrest of the car. Make an opening near the headrest holder. Remove the seal of the hook and loop strap. Attach the hook and loop to the back of the backrest. Unseal the hook and loop on the back of the cover. Attach the hook and loop to the back of the cover. Split 40 side backrest and remove the headrest. Pull 40 side backrest cover over the car's backrest. Open the headrest openings near the headrest holders. Unseal the seal that is covering the hook and loop. Insert the hook and loop straps in the crevice and connect it to the back side of the backrest. Unseal the hook and loop on the back of the cover. Attach the hook and loop to the back of the cover. Follow the contour of the seat and reattach it to the car seat. Make sure you pull out the seatbelt holders. Reattach your seat and make sure you push down until you hear a click. Reattach the headrest to your car seat. Slip over the headrest cover. Enjoy your Ultra Flex neoprene seat covers.